Farmers are faced with challenges of on-time discoveries of pests and diseases that devastate their produce. Assessing the condition of the entire crop is extremely demanding, especially on large agricultural land. The latter may lead to undetected hotspots and consequently to the shortfalls in the crop. For this reason, the use of sprays is applied onto whole produce, causing enormous costs and additional environmental burden. In Termodron, we have developed a solution for precise inspection of agricultural land, using UAVs, that is drones, state-of-the-art technology and algorithms. With our help, farmers can optimize the cost of labor and the use of fertilizers and sprays to minimize the adverse effect on the environment, as pesticides are used only where necessary. Periodic inspections of agricultural land with drones result in an on-time response in dry periods, drainage, and increased yields per hectare. The results of inspection and analysis are available within a very short period. The entire solution is farmer-friendly, simple to use, and it works on their farming machinery for precision crop treatment.
З прецизnim kmetovanjem z uporabo dronov do manjših stroškov porabe škropil in gnojil.